Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you this beautiful pattern. I have no idea how it's called, but they look like choco pillows. Very beautiful, very easy to make, and I'm going to try to make the bag with this pattern, but I will show you in my next video the bag process. I will just show you the pattern itself in this video, so maybe if you are going to make the blanket or the pillowcase or whatever you have in your mind, I will teach you just the pattern itself. So for the bag I will use the cotton. I'm going to make the slip knot. Just make the slip knot and chain any number of multiple of 5. So I will chain probably around 25 because that will be the perfect size for the small shoulder bag. So just chain multiple of 5. So here I have multiple of 5, 25, and I'm going to make 2 chains more because first row we're going to make half double crochet. So 2 plus 2 chains, and then yarn over and insert your hook into the 25th chain because the chain of 2 we're not counting. So you have chain of 2 and the half double crochet, and now you have to make 25 half double crochet. 3, 4, so yarn over, insert into the chain and pull through all 3. Keep going until you've come to the end of this row. So I'm at the end of the row and I have the last stitch. I'm going to insert and make the same half double crochet. Relooped. And now we are going to start the row with these squares. Let's start with chain of 4, 3, 4. Turn your work, yarn over twice. We are going to make trebles, and then insert your hook into the very first stitch where you have chain of 4 and make a treble. So yarn over, pull through 2 first, yarn over, pull through 2. We are making the trebles. Yarn over, pull through 2. 1 treble, then again 2 times yarn over, move to the next chain and make another treble. Pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 2 times yarn over and make the third treble. 1, 2 and 3. So you have chain of 4 and 3 trebles. Now we are going to wrap them around. So make sure you will not tighten too much, make it loose. Just grab the yarn and make 1 time yarn over. Yarn over again. Insert your hook between the chain of 4 and the first treble and make another one. So approximately the same length. 3rd time yarn over and pull. 4th time yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, 5th time. So 5 times you make yarn over, and you have these loops. Now we are going to move to the next chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now chain 1, and we're going to pull through all the loops. Okay, and now we are going to move to the next chain and make chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pull the yarn through both loops. And our first one is done. So I repeat again. You're going to make 3 trebles. So 1, 2, 3. Second treble. 1, 2, 3. And the third treble. 3 trebles, and then 5 times yarn over around them. So here we have chain of 4, the 3 trebles, we move them a bit apart, yarn over, insert into this space, grab the yarn and pull a bit. So you have 1 time yarn over, grab the yarn, second time, yarn over again, third time, yarn over, fourth time, yarn over, fifth time. You have 5 time yarn over. Now move to the next chain, stitch, chain 1, and pull through all the loops on the hook. Now you are going to move to the next chain and chain 4. So 1. So after you chain 4, just yarn over and pull through all 2 loops. So we are going to make another trebles, make 3 trebles, and that's the whole pattern, super easy, just 2-row pattern. 1, 2, 3, and then move into the space between chain 4 and the 3 trebles and make 5 times yarn over. I think it's really simple pattern but looks awesome. You would never imagine that it's so simple to make these squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after you make few rows you will be faster. It just requires more yarn than maybe if you make just double crochet stitch, but it looks so awesome that I think you can sacrifice with some yarn for this beautiful looking pattern. So then just chain 1, 2, 3 and pull through 2 and keep going. So later I will show you when I will finish this row and start half double crochet, and then I think you can keep going like this one and make the beautiful squares. So now I'm going to show you the very last stitch at this row. You're gonna make the same 5 yarn overs, then make chain 1 and pull through all 5, all like you did before. And then here we have chain 2 and the last half double crochet. So chain 2 you ignore and you just make the last chain of 4 into the last half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through all 4. So that's it, our first row is done, and now we are going to chain 2 and make half double crochet. So yarn over, you must put here at the very first 1 half double crochet, then next 2, and make 1 half double crochet into each stitch, and of course you must have 25 or any number you chained at the beginning, must have the same. So just keep making half double crochet. Then here I just chain under it. Oh, sorry, half double crochet, not chain. And keep on. That's how pretty. Also the other side is pretty, you see, but of course this side is even prettier. And you keep going with half double crochet, and then you start the row with the squares. I call them squares, but maybe you can create the name for this stitch, write in the comments below. So we move, keep going with half double crochet, and then chain 4 and repeat row number 2. And in my next video I will show the bag that I'm planning to make with this stitch. I think it's very beautiful for bags, baskets and blankets, but you can share your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.